3 kids, 1 pizza, and everybody's starving. No matter how you slice it, somebody's getting less. And that tiny standoff goes further than you'd think. Because behind that argument over pizza is a rule that runs the entire economy. There's only 1 pizza, but 3 hungry kids all want more of it. And that gap between what's actually out there and what everyone wants never quite closes. So every time you pick a slice, you're also picking what not to eat. And giving something up like that is the real price behind any choice. It isn't only about being poor, either. Even a billionaire only gets 24 hours in a day, and every one of them gets spent, never saved. But what exactly are you giving up when you choose? Economists have a precise answer. Opportunity cost is the value of your next best alternative. Not everything else you could have done, just the one option you passed over. Zoom out from 1 kid's pizza to an entire economy, and you can draw that same trade-off as a curve, a production possibilities frontier, plotting every combination of 2 goods a country can make. Land on the curve and you're using every resource well. That's efficient. Land inside it and resources sit idle. That's wasteful. Land outside it and you simply can't get there yet. It's impossible, for now. Push a little further and that curve isn't as fixed as it looks. It bows outward because resources aren't perfectly interchangeable. Shifting workers from baking pizza to growing wheat gets harder, slice by slice, which is why the trade-off gets steeper the further you push it. But add more resources, better technology, or let people specialize in what they do best, and the whole curve moves outward. Growth is quite literally moving the limit. So next time a pizza runs short, remember, you're not just picking a slice, you're standing on the very same curve that decides what an entire economy can and can't have.